I was just watching a movie called Into the Grizzly Maze where it looked like the bear would come down something that looked like that. It looked just like that.
Really?
Yeah, he would like come down the mountain and they were trying to run down the mountain. It's a pretty crazy movie, but if you're going to be camping way out in the woods, don't watch it.
Did you get in that dirt bike accident?
Daddy.
Whoa, that was a good one. Uh-oh, uh-oh, don't let it go down the hill.
No. You can take that and then come back and get the shavings. You start taking care of yourself.
Dude. Mommy.
900 miles an hour. Just lay a patch.
Dude, he just dusted the whole thing out. Now I'm allowed to do that. I'm gonna flip.
Okay.
Wait.
You're gonna fall out.
There. I want to flip too. Now I'm gonna flip back. Cole, ready? 3, 2, 1, flip back.
Should I go on top of this thing?
Yeah.
Go slow. Ooh, good job. Be careful because this thing's sticking up. Almost. Almost. Good job. All those plastic tops right there, right behind you, and there's a bunch.
Oh, wow.
To the right, too.
Oh, sticker.
Make sure it doesn't fall out, buddy. There's bottle caps right there in front of you.